on top of the world. Have you been injured in your car? Have you gotten in an accident? Don't call him. Call me. No, don't even call me. Just get you a new car and go somewhere else.
It's time. Derange time. Let's get to it.
Welcome to today's episode of Derange. Today we're going to do another gun review for you. The gun we have today is this gun. Okay, this is a Beretta. This is an APX A1. The A1 comes night sight ready. This one has a night sight on it. It's a Burris Fast Fire 3. Don't know if it's any good or not. Don't know if the gun's any good or not. Just know that we're gonna shoot it today. This is a 9mm. Looks pretty cool. Like I said, it does have a red dot on it. We'll see what happens. It comes with a 17-round magazine. And we're going to be shooting Max Tech 9mm Luger centerfire pistol cartridges today. This is it. This is you. This could be you for the right price. Alright, so if you look in the background back there, boom, right around there, got some red Solo cups. I'm going to try to hit. Let's see what we got. First I'm going for the steel target. Wow, that was pretty fast. Shooting 17 rounds. Red dot's a little iffy. All in all though, this Beretta APX A1, I love the trigger on it. The trigger's got a weird feel to it, but it's still like it. Love it. Want some more of it. You know. Yeah. I think it's pretty good. It's another gun, another pew pew. It's under $500. Okay, so for under $500, I mean you can't go wrong with this. You really can't. So we're gonna load some more rounds with this one. I'm gonna back up to about 25 yards and see if I can hit some steel up here. Hey, don't forget to go to derange411.com and get your merchandise. What are you waiting for? And yes, we still had a car sitting here. Yes, we do. All right, here we go. 25 yard steel shot. Not much. This red dot. I don't know if y'all can see that red dot in there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if this camera picks it up. Either way, it's something going on with it. Either way, that's another episode today. That's another gun review. Okay, pew pew review. How do you do? This is another gun under 500 bucks. So if you're looking at a gun under 500 bucks, well, guess what, folks? Here it is. This one's under 5. All right. With that being said, a gun under 500 bucks does pretty good. So this Beretta APX A1, it's not a bad gun. I don't know about this red dot on it, cause it's off. And even though it's off, I figured it out on the paper on the solo cups over there, but it didn't continue to work. So I mean, the red dot continued to work, but figuring out where it was off didn't continue to work. So I don't know about that. I had to play with it a little bit. But yeah, I had to play with it a little bit. I think it's a good gun, a good pew pew. This one comes with 17 rounds. They're under $500. So it feels really good. It's a full size, and they make smaller versions of it also. I think they make an AP1. That's a compact. But either way, it's not a bad gun. Like I said, it's they made in Italy, in case anybody wants to know. Everything can't be made in America, unfortunately. Of course, this is Beretta USA Corp out of, looks like Maryland. Who knows? I don't know. Anything could be made down by the river for all I know. Either way, till the next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, smash that like button, mash that subscribe button, and then go to drange411.com and get your merchandise. What are you waiting for? I've got a new video coming shortly. I think y'all are going to like it. It's going to be a little different than what we normally do. And it involves a vehicle. Now I know you're thinking I'm going to blow a vehicle up. Nope. Nope. It's a little different than that. Either way, until the next time, I love y'all. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Please go to drange411.com. Get your merchandise like this shirt I'm wearing. Or this hat. Until the next time, peace.